how to use YouTube Music Crossfade feature. So if you want to use your YouTube Music Crossfade feature, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your YouTube Music application. You need to go with sign in, which will be on the bottom. Make sure that you've signed into your account. Let me tell you that YouTube Music does not have a built-in crossfade feature. Users on the YouTube Music community confirmed that an official setting to blend or overlap the ends of song is currently unavailable. However, you can achieve continuous playback or use workarounds with browser tools or local files. There are some alternatives, like for example, if you're using your browser extensions. Like if you're using YouTube Music on your browser, you can install some third-party add-ons like the YouTube playlist Crossfade from the Chrome Web Store. Or you can also download your tracks, import them into media software that supports crossfading, such as desktop media players, or add them to Spotify as local files to use its native crossfade slider. Or you can also just simply go with a song, any song that you're comfortable with, and you will find an option of shuffle. You can also use the shuffle option as well. That's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.